Production number for Little Miss Gracious. The best in production number is Faye Bautista. For Little Mr. Jesus, our best in production number is Dwayne Dakutan. Our next set of special awards is Little Mr. and Miss Kid Ambassador, Little Mr. and Miss Future Leader, and then Best in Sports Attire, Best in Suit, and Best in Evening Gown. Our Little Mr. and Miss Kid Ambassador, Sophia